All right, guys. So if you saw the video I put on my channel yesterday, I told you that this weekend, which now it's this weekend, I would show you how to make amazing Zoom video backgrounds like this. A lot of you guys are running your Zooms, and this is kind of what you're doing. You're going to go ahead and do something like that. That's where you blur out everything behind you. Maybe you're in a living room, you're in the bathroom, God forbid, or you're in your office, and it's just not really you just haven't spent time creating the perfect video or vlogging office, right? It's just bookshelves and whatever. So you blur it. We got it. But what if you could kick it up a notch and do something like this, right? You've got the coffee mug here with the steam coming up. You've got some rain in the background. Or what if you could put yourself in Paris on the back porch of a lovely cafe bar overlooking the river and the glorious, right? This is gorgeous. Or you could do something like this. Put yourself in a cabin out in the wilderness. You've got the storm behind. This is like one of my favorite backgrounds, by the way. And you got that warm fire. Well, how do you do it? So before I show you actually where to go find these videos, and they're free, and then how to upload those, let me show you how to get it to your Zoom. Let's put the cart in this case before the horse. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you how to actually add a video to your Zoom background. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to go ahead and log into your Zoom, obviously. You're going to go and locate the video settings at the bottom of your Zoom. Find the stop video button. There is a small arrow pointing up. Click it. Then you're going to choose virtual background. Select choose virtual background from the menu that appears. Now, in the virtual background settings, click the plus icon. It's probably going to be in a blue box. Just click it and choose add video. Now, that's going to allow you to browse your computer files, select the video file you want to use for your background, just double click it, and then apply. And then what's going to happen, guys, is your video will automatically load behind you like this. Now, that's simple. If you have to, pause the video, go back, watch that again, read through those. That's very simple. That's the simplest way I can tell you. Now, where do you find stuff like this? Well, I'm glad you asked. So I go to a site where you can get uh, tons of free photos and videos. It's called Pixabay. And so what I do is I go ahead and check out the videos and I do AI. In this instance, guys, I just put in the word coffee shop and it brought up a bunch of different options for me. And you're going to have to scroll through. Sometimes there'll be 30 or 40 pages of these designs. Just scroll through and find the ones you like. So I came down here, guys, and I'm going to show you how this works. I went ahead and I clicked into here, right? And then I'm going to download this. Download it, and it's now on my computer, right? Now let me quit sharing. Again, Pixabay, just register for a free account. Now I downloaded that video. Now I'm going to come over here and redo the steps I just showed you on how to add this stuff. And let's see if we can make this work. There we go, guys. That was simple. Now I've got this amazing background behind me. I kind of like this one too. Wow, this is a cool one. Got a fireplace going. You've got a couple different candles flickering with lights. This looks amazing. I really like that background. So there you go, guys. You're gonna go over here to Pixabay and just find your videos. That's so simple. Now, if you wanted to make that video longer, I would suggest uploading it to Canva. There's a couple different ways you can do this in Canva, where you can create this video and make it longer. I'm not going to go into those details on this video. We'll probably cover that sometime in the near future. But guys, that is it right there. Pixabay, find your video, download it to your computer, and then follow the steps I gave you in uploading, and you can have some amazing video backgrounds. Now, let me ask you this. Doesn't this look better? Now, be honest. Does this not look better than that or that? Huh? Now, I'm in the middle of redesigning my entire studio, so I don't want people to see what's behind me. I just shared it with you. So we're going to be redoing all of this, make it look really cool. But guys, doesn't this look better than the other option? Well, now you know how to do it. So drop comments below. Tell me what you thought about this video and go ahead and start putting yourself in a position to actually produce video with this type of quality. I think it's amazing. What'd you think about that? Can't wait to hear your comments. And if you go ahead and do this, come back to this video and drop a comment and let us know how that worked for you. All right, guys, that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget, hit subscribe and the bell, guys, if you love this content. This is the stuff we put out all the time. All right, guys, that's it. We'll see you on the next video.